Hello out there, and thank you for visiting the One Opportunity Away Challenge. I'm extremely excited to share this information with you today. I'm Dr. Travis Davis, a serial entrepreneur and investor who's discovered the secrets that the education system did not want you to know, and it's actually helped me make over $1 million. What I do is I eliminate all of the life sucking distractions and remove all of the lies that have been taught to us for years. Then I educate and provide to you the correct way you should be living in happiness, generating revenue for your family. In the next few minutes, you're going to discover how to make more money and keep it just like other fed up entrepreneurs from all over the world have. We've put together a challenge full of freebies showing you everything you will need to become an online success in just the next 30 days. Elite Social is an Instagram automation software that's going to help generate revenue directly for you using your social media. Pixel Studios FX, it creates professional, high converting e-covers for you in 60 seconds or less. Logo Genie, how to use easy and create guru level graphics so you can get your products up and going in no time. As well as we're going to be teaching you how to budget correctly and how to save the right way. You're going to get loads of information and a whole lot more, all for free. Now, all you need to do is enter your first name, your email address, and click the Send Me My Challenge full of freebies button below, and you'll instantly receive your challenge full of freebies returned by email once you're registered for the OFA challenge. Also, you're going to receive all the information on the next page that shows you what the education system didn't want you to know. So I want you guys to go ahead, enter your first name, enter your email address, and click the Send Me My Challenge full of freebies button below so you can enter the One Opportunity Away Challenge today. I'm telling you guys, this challenge is life-changing, and it's going to show you exactly how you can generate the same revenue that I am doing online by using something called sales funnels. I cannot wait to help teach you guys in the next 30 days, and I look forward to each and every one of you guys generating enough revenue to quit that 9 to 5 or to take whatever skill that you have to the next level. I look forward to talking to you soon and can't wait to work with you.